social implications, social inequality, social institution, social integration, social interaction, social insulation, social mobility, social movement, social norm, social organization, social phenomenon, social policy, social reform, social relationship, social responsibility, social setting, social significance, social status, social structure, social theory, social transformation, social trend, social welfare। आगे देखते हैं। सोशियली एक्सेप्टेबल, सोशियली कंस्ट्रक्टेड, सोशियली डिजायरेबल, सोशियली रेस्पॉन्सिबल। सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस, सोलर एनर्जी, सोलर पैनल, सोलर पावर, सोलर सिस्टम। सोर्स मटेरियल, सोवरेन स्टेट, sparsely populated, special circumstances, special emphasis, special issue, special relationship, special status, specific area, specific aspect, specific case, specific characteristic, specific context, a specific example, a specific factor, a specific feature, a specific focus, a specific form, a specific function, a specific information, a specific issue, a specific knowledge, a specific meaning, a specific needs, a specific problem, a specific purpose, a specific question, a specific reference, a specific sense, a specific type। आगे देखते हैं। A specifically designed, a standard approach, a standard error, a standard format, a standard method, a stark contrast, a start process, a state explicitly, a state sector, a statistical analysis, statistical data, a statistical information, a statistical method, a statistical significance, a statistical technique, a statistical test, a statistically significant, store data, store information, a strategic decision, a strategic importance, a strategic management, a strategic objective, a strategic planning, a stress level, a striking contrast, a striking example, a striking feature, a strong bond, strong correlation, strong emphasis, strong evidence, strong link, a strong reaction, a strong relationship, a strong tendency, a strongly agree, a strongly associated, a strongly correlated, a strongly disagree, a strongly influenced, a strongly linked, a strongly opposed, a strongly related, a strongly suggest, a structural adjustment, a structural change, a structural element, a structural feature, a structural properties, subject area, subsequent analysis, subsequent chapter, subsequent development, subsequent study, subsequent work, substantial amount, substantial difference, substantial evidence, substantial number, substantial part, substantially different। आगे देखते हैं। सक्सेसफुल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, sufficient condition, sufficient detail, sufficient evidence, sufficient information, sufficient resources। आगे देखते हैं। superior performance, support and argument, supporting evidence, survey data, symbiotic relationship, systematic analysis, systematic approach, systematic study, tacit knowledge, take initiative, take precedence, take responsibility, take a role, take an approach, take into consideration, take on the role, take up the role, target audience, teaching strategy। आगे देखते हैं। टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट, टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस, टेक्निकल डिटेल, टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टाइज, टेक्निकल इशू, टेक्निकल नॉलेज, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम, टेक्निकल स्किल, टेक्निकल सपोर्ट, टेक्निकल टर्म, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसेस, टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंज, टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशन, टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस, टेस्ट स्कोर, टेस्ट थ्योरी, टेक्सचुअल एनालिसिस, थीमेटिक एनालिसिस, theoretical analysis, theoretical approach, theoretical basis, theoretical concept, theoretical debate, theoretical framework, theoretical issue, theoretical model, theoretical perspective, theoretical study। आगे देखते हैं। theoretical understanding, theoretical work, think differently, thinking process, third party thought process, tightly controlled, top management, total income, totally different, traditional approach, traditional culture, traditional form, traditional method, traditional practice, traditional research, traditional society, traditional value, traditional view, transferable skill, transmit data, transmit information, transport system, treat differently, treat equally, typical example, ultimate goal, undergo transformation, underlying assumption, underlying cause, underlying principle, underlying process, underlying reason, underlying structure, undertake research work, undertake an activity, unequal power, unfair treatment, unintended consequences, unique individual, unique opportunity, unique position, universally accepted, unlimited access, unskilled worker। आगे देखते हैं। अर्बन एरिया, अर्बन सेंटर, अर्बन डिजाइन, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट, अर्बन environment, use criteria, use effectively, use resources, use sparingly, use statistics, use a format, use a method, use a methodology, use a procedure, use a source, use a strategy, use a technique, use a theory, use an approach, use the analysis, use the definition, use the concept, use the data, useful information, useful material, useful means, useful score, useful summary, useful tool, valid argument, valuable information, valuable resources, various aspects, very considerably, very greatly, very significantly, very widely। आगे देखते हैं। varying degree, vast amount, vast area, vast array, vast majority, vast number, vast quantities, vast range, verbal communication, verbal language, vested interest, virtual community, virtually impossible, visual image, visual media, visual perception, visual representation, vital information importance, vital part, vital role, vulnerable group, welfare reform, well aware, well designed, well documented, well educated, well established, well received, western democracy, western society, western tradition, whole area, whole period, whole range, wide area, wide array, wide range, wide variation, widely accepted, widely adopted, widely available, widely believed, widely different, widely discussed, widely dispersed, widely distributed, widely known, widely read, widely recognized, widely regarded, widely said, widely used, wider audience, wider community, wider context, wider implications, wider issue, wider public society, widespread acceptance, widespread belief, widespread support, widespread use, work effectively, written comment, written communication, written statement, younger generation। तो ये आपके क्वालिफिकेशंस कंप्लीट होते हैं।